All right, we'll go ahead and take a check of your forecast. If you're traveling this weekend, probably wondering what the weather will be like.
Yeah, Robert, pretty good week so far, but like Allison said, if you are planning to drive or fly, any weather issues to worry about?
In some parts of the country, yes, which we will touch on, but for I would say 85% of the country should be fine if you're doing some traveling. But there is some trouble areas that you're going to need to know if you're flying out of XNA. Especially over the weekend. There's Fayetteville right now. Things are nice and quiet. Today in Fayetteville, we got up to 84 degrees, 5 degrees above the average, which is 79 for this time of the year. Warm day in 2006 where we got up to 91 degrees. Meanwhile, in Fort Smith, you can see all the lights are on tonight. Also not too bad, 86 degrees in Fort Smith, 2 degrees above your average. Out there right now across northwest Arkansas, a few upper 60s, mostly lower 70s for the time being. Gravette looks like it's one of the cooler spots right now, checking in at 67. As we slide you into the River Valley, temperatures upper 60s and lower to mid 70s. Fort Smith, one of the warmer spots right now with a temperature of 76 degrees. Big picture across the United States, really not too bad. Off and on again, showers and storms across Kansas, southern Nebraska. A lot of severe weather here, northeastern parts of the state of New Mexico and across the Intermountain West, northwestern North Dakota, also seeing some severe thunderstorms as well. But what everybody is watching for the holiday weekend is this area of low pressure off the Florida coast. It's going to kind of meander its way towards South Carolina and could develop some tropical characteristics and create quite a bit of rain for the beaches. A lot of people head to the beach Memorial Day weekend. Well, it's not going to be a great one across the Carolinas and Georgia coasts. So we go through the rest of the night. Any shower threats are now over as we lose all of that daytime heating. But tomorrow, we'll kind of do it all over again. Lots of sunshine, and we get some daytime heating. It riles up the atmosphere a little bit, and we get some showers and thunderstorms possible in the afternoon. I think this is overdone. Most people won't see anything, I think. A very remote chance at a shower or storm, and then waking up Saturday morning, no issues. We talked about those travel impacts. Yeah, it's possible with those pop-up showers and storms anywhere you see the yellow, but southeast, that's where we have the main threats. That's where we're most worried about. And this goes through the weekend. So an all-weekend washout for those folks, unfortunately. Also, the weather community is keeping an eye on Super Typhoon Mawar, which is in the western Pacific. To say this storm has gone full beast mode is an understatement. Winds of 185 miles an hour, one of the strongest storms ever in the Pacific in not only May, but most likely of all time. I'm going to pull a high-definition satellite picture for 10. You are not going to want to miss it because this is the storm that hit Guam, and it is an unbelievable show of power in the Pacific, and it hasn't even gotten to the best area for development. Further strengthening is likely for that storm. 60s tonight, and we'll rebound back into the 80s for your Friday. UV index tomorrow. You can still, it's sunburn season, folks. 8.7, 15 minutes or so to get that sunburn. Quick look at the extended forecast shows lots of sunshine for the weekend. A couple of leftover sprinkles possible Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with seasonable temperatures. And in the River Valley, same thing. Lots of sunshine, a great holiday weekend if you're going to Old Fort Days. Monday for the parade, no problems, guys, and then a couple of showers Tuesday and Wednesday.